Hey everyone, it's Shelly from Shelly Creates It. I'm a crafty creator and a passionate teacher, always up for a new challenge. This video is all about organizing some of my author materials for my vending events and calculating how many books I've sold. Let's get creative together. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to join me on this 25-day creative adventure. All right, a few things for tonight. I am just going through my vending boxes and tidying up a few things from my last few events. And I needed to add my 2 new books onto my pricing board. And I finally registered for a Square reader. So I'm putting that little sign on my pricing board as well. And I just muted this because you can see my dog's shadow right there. He's just chewing on a bone like crazy. And obviously, it's been a minute since I've recorded with a GoPro on my head because that angle is just awful. So here's a better one. All right, I remembered what I did and I printed them as, I already forgot. When you select multiple photos on Windows, you can change the size, and I printed them contact images or wallet, I don't remember, something images. Anyways, they're super small, so I'm going to cut them out and put them on here. My scissors got sticky from that Velcro. This was not the video I was supposed to make tonight. I'm supposed to be making holiday cards for a card exchange. But a friend of mine wants to have a booth on Friday and it's Wednesday. So I wanted to get this stuff done beforehand. There we go. All my books are on there. Hardback books in stock. I have lettering for hardback books. So what happened on Saturday, I sold out of Trampoline Dreaming, and then I was like trying to tell people about it in my pitch, and I didn't have a book. Captain drinks water at the most inopportune time. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. And then I can just put that up on my table so they see that it's sold out. As long as there's strong wind, I think it's just going to do it. I don't think there's any way around it. You have my book titles, my book number, published when it was updated. The ad copy is all right here for each of them. And then all the links, obviously I was doing really good and then I've gotten worse as I've gone on. And then the manuscript for the books, and then down here at the bottom, I actually think I'm going to move it up here. I feel like I need these two. Okay, and my events I kind of document in this notebook. Scroll bar ever. Red Tractor 62. Oh, because I had it as a Kindle ebook. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. I've sold in Canada, Spain, and India. Okay, anyways, 62. I'm gonna put, yeah, volume door. Wow. Alright, so I've sold 153 online and 114 in person. 267 books. Woohoo! So I want to go through here and do additional formatting. Here I moved it from up here to down here, and then I'll just have a running tally of all the times I listed them for free. So I have my pending in orange, my complete in blue. So pending, I'm gonna run my presents not presents for Christmas, and then I'm going to run cornfield green because I don't have that one yet. That'll be towards the end of the year. And then the middle of February I'm gonna do trampoline dreaming because it's like the new year and dream big. And then for my birthday at the beginning of February I'm gonna run These White Feathers as like an honor to 5 years of writing books. Yeah, I've got those. Okay, and then volume 1 actually in March I would love to do Sounds Like Frogs. I feel like that's a perfect crowd book for this spring. So I'm gonna do, actually I also want to do Idioms That Rhyme like the middle of March, so 3/15 through 3/20, 25. And then this is not considering the new books that I'm also going to be publishing. I do want to do Special Sauce again in the fall for Diabetes Awareness Day. So, frog book. Okay. Alright, so Sounds Like Frogs. I'm going to do 2, 3. I don't know if it's a leap year or not, but alright. And then hopefully by then I will have some of these others. Look how many I have. Cottonfield, A Trusty Friends, Volume 3, A Dog Book Idea, Food Hiding Everywhere, Volume 4, Children's Book, another Camping Frog book, and more. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for following along.